The Nissan Terra has been around for quite some time now. Most of the Terra's competitors were updated and launched last year. With that, the brand felt it was time to upgrade the Terra for 2023. Say hello to the new top trim variant of the Terra lineup, the Terra Sport. This is the most advanced model on Nissan's 7-seater SUV, launched in 4 exterior colors. With the new 2023 Nissan Terra Sport, all the chrome trimmings have been swapped in favor of gloss black ones. In addition, this variant gets a revised front fascia that's characterized by a new front bumper design and new black 18-inch alloy wheels. The rear bumper has also been slightly redesigned and the upper portion of the tailgate garnish has been painted black as well. Other black elements include its roof rails, tailgate spoiler, and door handles. Inside, the 2023 Nissan Terra Sport ditches the VL's red leatherette dash for a black one, and it's also the same case with the door panels and the seats. Other features include the 8-inch Nissan Connect infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and wired Android Auto, a power-adjustable driver's seat, wireless charging, an 11-inch rear flip-down screen, and 8-speaker Bose sound system. The second row of seats Nissan Terra Sport 2023 has the ability to fold 6:4, slide and recline manually to create convenience when entering and leaving the third row, while the convenience in the last seat is 5:5 folding to help expand the storage space when needed. In terms of safety, the Nissan Terra Sport 2023 is quite full of ADAS active safety features, including pre-collision warning, automatic emergency braking, warning when the driver is asleep, and lane departure warning. In addition, there are 360-degree camera, reversing camera, blind spot warning, cross-traffic alert when reversing, the pressure warning, front-rear parking sensor, support for horizontal departure, downhill assist, cruise control system, and 6 airbags. The 2023 Nissan Terra Sport comes with the same engine as it always ever had, which is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine that produces 190 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. That power is sent to either the rear or all 4 wheels via a 7-speed automatic.